Minister of Health and Child Care Douglas Mwambishora on Sunday, June 29, visited Salim Mugabe Central Hospital to assess the damage caused by fire that gutted part of a storage facility at the institution on Saturday. Sandapita mashoko kubuda panguva ino kuchionekwa aiwa Minister of Health and Child Care vachinoona aiwa ku Salim Mugabe Hospital, Harare Hospital, kunoona that storage room yakadestroywa nefire. Subscribe or like or the bell icon. The blaze, which has since been contained, destroyed the roof of the storage area, a section of the hospital's rooftop solar power station, and a number of old hospital items, including beds and mattresses, awaiting disposal. Also lost in the fire were patient records dating back nearly 2 decades. Officials confirmed that part of the rooftop solar system, which supplies both power to both the hospital laboratories and the National Reference Laboratory, was damaged. One inverter was affected by the fire, but critical services at the hospital lab have not been interrupted thanks to the dual power supply system using both solar and diesel electricity. During his visit, Minister Mwambishora was briefed on the extent of the damage and the status of ongoing investigations. The exact cause of the fire is not yet been determined, and authorities say investigations are still underway. Domashoko aripo pamusoro pemoto wakadestroya aiwa the top of the Harare Hospital. Panguva inoi chionekwa the Minister of Health and Child Care vachinoona the situation kunoiassesa, but panguva inoi the cause of this fire panguva ina Saturday remain unozikamwa, but vari kuti vakomana they are still doing the investigations. Munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Aiwa imboti dzemafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau ipinda comment section medu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.